Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to install the new Ekodeck screening panels on steel posts. This new panel has been designed for the DIYer and tradesman alike for quick and easy installation to create a modern look and extra privacy in any outdoor area. Using screening on galvanised posts is definitely the way to go if you'd like a privacy screen at home that will last for years. When planning your project, it's important to understand your area. This will help you decide on the materials to use. Start out by measuring your space. For this project, we're using the 1800 by 900mm Ekodeck screening panels in a vertical application, so our post will require a centre-to-centre gap of 900mm or a space between the posts at 850mm to allow your panels to fit correctly and securely onto the posts. Once you've marked your area, you can start digging the holes for your posts. In this installation, we're using the 50 by 50mm galvanised steel posts. Place your posts into the hole with quick set concrete and use a spirit level and then brace the posts accordingly, like we've done here to make sure it's straight. A handy tip to get measurements exact between posts is to construct a couple of timber jigs to size that can be clamped onto the posts at the bottom and top. This allows you to have consistent spans across the length of the area. Please note that the first and last posts will have a space of 825mm between the posts so that the screening panel will cover the first and last posts. All subsequent post gaps will remain at 850mm. Once the post is secure and the concrete is set, you can begin to place and install the screening panels. In this project, we use an Ekodeck 137mm board as a barge board, which we've used to rest the screening panels on before attaching to the posts. Use a spirit level to make sure the barge board is level. Secure the panels tightly onto the posts with clamps on both sides. When attaching to the steel posts, we recommend you pre-drill and countersink the material, then use self-drilling screws for steel. It's recommended that you use at least 3 screws on each post. Now that you've installed the first panel, it's as simple as repeating the process until you fill the area. Take a look at the result, a modern installation to enhance any outdoor space. And what's more is that you can install Ekodeck screening panels both vertically or horizontally, or on timber posts to your desired look and design. The installation is the same, just use screws suitable for timber posts. And it's as simple as that. A screening panel designed for a quick and easy installation so anyone can achieve a beautiful modern look at home.